Hi, this is Rob. The Ninja SP101 Foodie 8-in-1 Digital Air Fry Large Toaster Oven is a combination of an air fryer and toaster oven. This oven is made of brushed stainless steel, has rounded corners, and a digital control pad. The dimensions of this Ninja Foodie when sitting in cooking mode are 7.56 inches high, 19.72 inches wide, and 15.25 inches in depth. However, after the oven has been cooled and cleaned, you can flip it up as a unique storage solution. The dimensions when flipped up are 15.25 inches high, 19.72 inches wide, and 7.56 inches in depth. The weight of the Ninja Foodie is just under 16 pounds. What do you get in the box? The air fry toaster oven itself, a removable crumb tray, a wire rack, a sheet pan, an air fry basket, a owner's manual, a quick start guide, an inspirational guide that gives a few recipes, tips, and tricks for cooking in this oven, a warranty card, and other documentation. The removable crumb tray. Always place the crumb tray below the bottom heating elements. Keep the wire rack in the bottom rail position. Always layer the sheet pan on top of the wire rack. If you're going to use the air fry basket, use it in the top rail position. There are additional accessories that you can purchase separately for this Ninja Foodie made by Ninja specifically for this oven. A broiling rack, a casserole dish baking pan 2 inches deep, a 12-cup muffin pan, a cutting board. This XL Ninja Foodie cutting board is made of bamboo. The unique feature of this cutting board is that it is a magnetic cutting board. When you flip up the Ninja Foodie oven, you can attach the cutting board to this side of the Ninja Foodie oven. This oven is called an 8-in-1 oven because on the digital control panel, you have these 8 different cooking functions: air fry, air roast, air broil, bake, dehydrate, keep warm, toast, and bagel. The owner's manual is very good in explaining how to cook with each one of these cooking functions. To select one of those cooking functions, you turn this dial after you press the power button. On top of the control panel is the time display. This is cooking time only and will count down as the oven is cooking your food. To set the cooking time, press the time/slice button. Then use the dial to adjust the time. Remember, if you get any value from this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in buying this, please use the Amazon links below. When you are in the toast or bagel function, slice and dark will illuminate here. Press the time slice button and use the dial to indicate the number of slices you're going to toast. This oven will toast up to 9 slices of toast or 9 slices of bagels. This is the temperature display. Press the temperature/darkness button and use the dial to adjust the cooking temperature. While the oven is preheating, it will flash pre here. When you are in the toast or bagel function, press the temperature/darkness button and use the dial to indicate how dark you want your toast. The keep warm function keeps food warm for up to 2 hours. To check on the food, there's an oven light. Press the light button to turn the interior light on or off while cooking. The light will automatically turn on 30 seconds before the cook time ends. Okay, that is it. I hope that you like this air fry toaster oven.